Look at the note. If f of x by g of x is improper fraction, then it can be expressed as f of x by g of x equal to q of x plus r of x by g of x, where q of x, r of x, g of x are also polynomials. But here, degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. Then r of x by g of x is proper fraction. It is useful to reduce the improper fraction into the proper fraction. Where f of x by g of x is improper fraction, r of x by g of x is proper fraction. Here we reduce the improper fraction into the proper fraction. Okay, let us example. 2x cube plus x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Look at the left hand side. Is it proper fraction? No. Because of the degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. What is degree of numerator? 3. What is degree of denominator? 2. Here degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. So it is called improper fraction. How to reduce the improper fraction into the proper fraction? By taking division. Divide 2x cube plus x plus 1 with x plus 1 into x plus 2. X plus 1 into x plus 2 means x square plus 3x plus 2. 2x cube plus x plus 1 x square plus 3x plus 2 to divide cheste. Cosine 2x minus 6. Remainder 15x plus 13. Now the given fraction can be written as cosine plus remainder divided by denominator, that x plus 1 into x plus 2. It is the method to reduce the improper fraction into the proper fraction. Okay, next we discuss about the methods of partial fractions. Why we are using these methods? To reduce the given fraction into partial fractions, we follow the methods. Methods of partial fractions. Among them, the first method. Let f of x by g of x is a proper fraction and g of x is the product of non-repeated linear factors such as g of x equal to a1x plus b1 into a2x plus b2. అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ టూ లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఈ టూనే కాదు ఎక్కువైనా ఉండొచ్చు. బట్ ద ప్రోడక్ట్ ఈజ్ లైక్ దట్. ది ప్రోడక్ట్ ఈజ్ non-repeated linear factors. F of x by g of x is a proper fraction and the denominator g of x is the product of non-repeated linear factors. Then f of x by g of x into a1x plus b1 into a2x plus b2 can be written as a by a1x plus b1 plus b by a2x plus b2. Suppose the denominator is the product of three non-repeated linear factors, then we can get plus c by third linear factors. Example, resolve x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 into partial fractions. This belongs to the method 1. So according to the method 1, the left hand side can be written as a by the first linear factor of denominator plus b by the second linear factor of the denominator. To find the values of capital A and capital B, we get the LCM of right hand side. X plus 1 by 2x plus 3 into x plus x minus 1 equal to A into x minus 1 plus B into 2x plus 3 by 2x plus 3 into x minus 1. The denominators of the both sides will be cancelled. By comparing the left and right hand sides, we can get the values of capital A and capital B. Otherwise, we can substitute the values some for x and to get the value of A Sorry, what is the remaining part here? X plus 1 equal to a into x minus 1 plus b into 2x plus 3. What is first linear factor of denominator? X minus 2x plus 3. Now we think about that. If 2x plus 3 equal to 0, then what is x? 2x plus 3 equal to 0 అని ఊహించుకుంటే x ఏమవుతుంది? మైనస్ 3 by 2. దాని ఫస్ట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్గా తీసుకుందాం. Put x equal to minus 3 by 2 in 1. Then 1 అనుకుందాం. 1 implies minus 3 by 2 plus 1 equal to a into minus 3 by 2 minus 1 plus b into 0. That implies minus 1 by 2. After getting LCM, the numerator is minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. That is a into minus 5 by 2. Minus 3 minus 2 whole divided by 2 means minus 2. We can cancel 2. That implies minus 1 equal to minus 5a. Minus minus will be cancelled. That implies a equal to 1 by 5. To get the value of b, what we have to do? What is second linear factor of denominator? That x minus 1. Suppose x minus 1 equal to 0, then what is x? 1. That is the second substitution. Put x equal to 1 in 1. Then 1 implies 1 plus 1 equal to a into 0 plus b into 2 plus 3. That implies 2 equal to 5b. Then what is b? 2 by 5. Where we have to substitute the values of a equal to 1 by 5 and b equal to 2 by 5 in this relation. Then what we get the answer? Therefore, x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 equal to a by 2x plus 3. What is a? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 by 2x plus 3 plus b by x minus 1. What is b? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 by x minus 1 or 1 by 5 into 2x plus 3 plus 2 by 5 into x minus 1. Observe the right hand side terms. There are two fractions. Both are proper fractions. These two proper fractions are partial fractions of the given fraction. By using the method 1, we can reduce the given fraction into the proper fractions when denominator of the given fraction is the product of non-repeated linear factors.